Hello, Assalamualaikum. Breakfast time. Then we prepare the praying schedule for today.
Hi, this is my first day in at Rajamangala University. This is Miss Ida. Hi. This is Mbak Nurul. That's my partner, Mas Rizky. This is Mas James. James Bond. And hi, that's Mas Daus.
At that time, even I'm nervous, but I'm really excited to talk them about the mangrove and seagrass condition in Indonesia. And some people not yet come to. You can see like the beautiful view. You can see from the right. This is the Malaysian border.
It's just 9:40. Here for 2 weeks and it's low electric about 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Yeah.
Okay, now at almost 1 at the time we on the way to Rajamangala University again for the lecture from the Japan's professor.
Assalamualaikum. See you.